Okay. The factors influencing the MRP run. The topics we'll be covering today in the factors influencing the MRP run. We will be discussing on the lot size. What is the lot size? What is the importance of lot size? Okay. Uh, what are the different lot size procedures are available? Okay. What are the different lot size procedures are available in the system? Okay. How they play the role in the system? Okay, what are the additional lot sizes influences we have, like maximum lot size, minimum lot size we'll discuss, and then we'll see the scraps, different scraps which influence the MRP run, like assembly scrap, component scrap, and operation scrap. We'll be discussing these things. Okay, so we'll start with lot size. So the lot size, what is lot size? You can define how the procurement quantities are calculated by selecting the lot size procedure which is maintained in the material master record, MRP1 view. So when you are executing MRP run, okay, so the procedure is, which we discussed in the last classes. First, when you execute MRP run, the first step will be, it will check for the planning file entry. It will check for the planning file entry. Then it will do net requirement calculation. Okay. Then the next step will be procurement quantity calculation. Okay, so this is the third step. This we discussed in our MRP first class. Okay. After that, what it will do? It will do scheduling, and then after that it will do procurement proposal generation. And then the last step will be, it will be doing the bomb explosion. Okay, so these are the steps which are carried out when you execute MRP, one after the other. So during the third step, after the net requirement calculation, when the shortage is there, system will be determine the procurement quantity. So during the procurement quantity calculation, system will check for the lot size. System will check for the lot size procedure which is maintained in the material master record, MRP1 view, for that particular material. Okay, so that's what the importance of lot size. The result of the lot size calculation is the quantity to be produced or procured. So it will determine what is the quantity which you are going to procure or you are going to produce. That's what is determined by lot size. Okay, so there are three groups of lot size in procedures: static, periodical, and optimizing. Okay, so we'll be discussing these things. Okay, so first I'll show you where this lot size is maintained in the MRP view, then we'll continue further. Okay, so let me log in again. Okay, okay, if you take 2094, if this is a finished product, if I take, okay, if I go to material master, go to MRP1 view. If you go to MRP1 view, okay, plant is 1000. Okay, so if you see here the lot size is maintained. This is the lot size. We maintain over here. Okay, in the MRP1 view, in the lot size data, we will be maintaining the lot size. Okay, so we will see now how the different lot size procedures will affect our MRP. Okay, so that is what the lot size. Of course, other than the lot size procedures, we will be maintaining minimum lot size, maximum lot size. Okay, these also we'll discuss in a minute. Okay, so now what are the different lot size procedures available in the system? So these are the lot size procedures available in the system. Okay, so the different lot size procedures Okay, so first we have is the static procedures. Okay, static procedures. Okay, then we have periodical procedures, then we have optimum procedures. Okay, of course anyhow we will not be discussing these optimum procedures, because in the test systems we cannot show these optimum procedures. We will be discussing only static procedures and periodic procedures. So in the static procedures we have lot for lot order quantity. That means whatever your requirement is there, to the exact quantity you will be getting your receipt elements, lot for lot, exact same. Okay, then we have fixed lot size. We'll discuss this also. That means your procurement quantity or your production quantity will remain all the time same, it's fixed. Okay, and then you have replenishment up to maximum stock level. So these are the ones you have it in the static procedures. Okay, now in the periodic procedures you have daily lot size, you have weekly lot size, and you have monthly lot size. Of course you have flexible periods according to planning calendar. Okay, so these things will be
for a fixed lot size. You said that purchasing quantity and production quantity are same for the fixed lot size.
No, whether if you are producing the material, if you have a requirement like 50, then you are all the time your quantity will be the remaining the same. Yeah, we'll come to that. When you see that, you will understand. Okay, see, Kuresh, whatever the questions we'll have in the end. Okay, we'll have in the end. Okay, don't worry, we'll discuss one by one. Once all cleared, even if you have any questions you can ask. Okay, so now we'll start with each and every procedures. Okay, so now first let's start with static lot sizing procedures. Okay, the first one is the EX. Okay, so the first one will be the EX. Okay, we'll start with EX. So already in the material master it is maintained as EX. Already in the lot size it is maintained as EX in the material master. I'm saving this material master. What happened? It got disconnected. Just 1 minute. Let me log in again. GY1207. Okay, so I'll go to MM60, plant 1000, material type FUT, JNT. Okay, so I'll take this material 2094. Okay, so I'll go to MD0 for stock requirement list situation of this particular material, enter. So currently we have only one stock. We have stock of 50 pieces. Okay, 50 bottles. Okay, now I'll enter some forecast, and then we'll see what will happen when we have the lot size as EX. Okay, so let me enter some planned independent requirements, MD61. Okay, what is the planning strategy we have as of now? Just 1 minute. 10. Okay, not a problem. So let's I'm entering the planned independent requirements. Okay, so I'll enter 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. Okay, so in this manner I am entering the future forecast, planned independent requirements. Okay, so now I'm saving this, enter. Okay, now you will be able to see the forecast in the stock requirement list screen. You are able to see the forecast requirement. By this time you should be in a position to tell why this LSF is coming, because this product is assigned with strategy group 10. In the 10 strategy, the planned independent requirement type is LSF. That's why it is coming as LSF. Okay, this already we discussed in the demand management. Now when I do the MRP run, when I execute the MRP run, /n MD02, enter. When I execute the MRP run, now the planned orders will get generated. Okay, so now if you see the planned orders, see, most of the time the planned orders are same exactly to the requirement quantity. See, if you see the first case, planned independent requirement is 150, as already we have a stock of 50, the planned order got generated for 100. Now in the second case, the planned independent requirement quantity is 200. That's why the planned order has come for 200. That means here system is generating procurement quantity exactly to the requirement. Now if you go to the November month, the requirement is 250. It has generated the planned order for 250. That is because we have maintained the lot size procedure as EX, lot for lot order quantity. Lot for lot order quantity. So your receipt element quantity will be the same as the requirement quantity. That's what the meaning here. If you see here, it is the same as the requirement quantity. Okay, exact lot for lot. That's what the lot for lot order quantity. Okay, most of the time in the industries they will be using this EX only. Okay, now let's start with fixed lot size. Let's start with fixed lot size. I'll be changing the lot size in the material master. Then we'll understand for the same situation. You will see what will happen if I maintain EX. Okay, so I'll go to the material master. Okay, now I'm maintaining EX. I'm selecting from the list. I'm maintaining EX. Fixed lot size, FX, fixed order quantity. The moment you select fixed order quantity, system will ask you to enter the fixed lot size. See, system is asking the lot size procedures requires a fixed lot size. So I am entering, let's say my fixed lot size is 200, enter. Okay, I'll tell you in which scenario you'll be using this fixed lot size. Okay, first let's continue with the flow. Then I'll explain where it is used. So fixed lot size I entered. Now for the same situation, I will execute MRP run again. Okay, I'm executing MRP run again. Okay, now I execute the MRP run. Now if you go and see the situation in the stock requirement list, now what is your all planned order quantities? All planned order quantities are for 200. You see, all planned orders are for 200. Even though your requirements vary each month, your planned orders got generated for 100, 200. That is because your lot size is fixed. Okay, you will be always producing 200. Now the question is where this kind of scenario is used. This kind of scenario is normally used for raw materials, procured materials, procurement materials. Okay, I'll tell you the situation. In the procurement, what happens is your vendor will say, I'll be supplying the same quantity. He will be telling you, I cannot, my container, my truck is having some limited capacity. So maximum capacity I have, let's say 200 liters or 200 kg. He will say like this, 1000 kg. So I'll be all the time, I'll be supplying only 1000 liters. He will say that. Then what happens is for that particular raw material, you will be putting the lot size as FX and with that 1000 liters. So system will be generating all the time purchase requisition for 1000 only. If that particular material is a externally procured material. So those kind of scenarios you will be using this fixed lot size. Okay, so as a consultant you should know for which business scenario which lot size procedure you need to apply. Okay, so that time you have to propose to use fixed lot size. So when you use fixed lot size, what happens? All the purchase requisitions will come for same quantity. Of course here it is a in-house production material, that's why we are getting planned orders. If it is a raw material, or a packing material, then you will be getting a purchase requisition for the same quantity, that fixed quantity. Okay, hope that is clear. Okay, so now the replenish up to maximum stock level. This is very simple. Here what happens is when you are running MRP, what happens is if you go to the material master, you will be maintaining a maximum stock level. Again, I'm going to the MRP. Here you will be maintaining a maximum stock level. Okay, so till that stock level only, if there is any difference, it will be generating a procurement proposal. Here you will be maintaining maximum stock level. Okay, more than that you cannot maintain the stock. So in your warehouse you will be having some limitation. So during those kind of scenarios you will be maintaining this maximum stock level. Then according to the difference in between stock and the maximum stock level, system will be generating the procurement proposal. That's what. Okay, so this is also normally used for externally procured materials. Okay, so that is what your lot sizing procedures. Okay, now the next one will be, sometimes what happens is you will have periodic lot sizing procedures. Okay, so here periodic lot sizing procedures, what happens is system will club the requirements of a particular period, and it will be generating a single receipt elements for that entire particular period. Okay, if you observe here carefully, this is the period, this is one period. Okay, so whatever the requirements we have in this period, what system does is, for this entire period requirements, it will be generating only one receipt elements. Okay, if you see here, this is period 2, here you have 3. Okay, here for all the requirements it will be generating only one particular requirement, sorry, receipt elements. So that's what the periodic lot sizing procedures. So in this we have daily lot size, weekly lot size, and monthly lot size. Okay, I'll show you one how it works. I'll show you the monthly lot size, how it will work, and then we'll understand that. Okay, so now let's go to the system again. What I'll do is I'll change this. I'll change this to monthly lot size. I'll change this to monthly lot size. Where it is? Yeah, MB, monthly lot size. Now when you change it to monthly lot size, fixed lot size is not required. Enter, and I'm saving this. Yes. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll remove the existing all the planned independent requirements. I'll put them in a weekly format. Okay. Now I'm deleting them. Save it. Refresh. I'll execute MRP once to remove all those planned orders. All those planned orders will get deleted. Okay, now again your situation is fresh. You have a stock of 50, that's all. Okay, now what I'll do is I will enter the planned independent requirements in weekly format, in weekly buckets. Okay, so I'll go to MD61. Now the planning period I'll be taking as weekly. Format. Okay, enter. So week wise I am entering the requirements now. See, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. Now what happens is, as we are using the monthly lot size, whatever the requirements we enter in a particular week for a particular month, these 4 will get clubbed, and you will be getting one single planned order for all these 4 weeks. That's what will happen. So I'll enter 25, 25, 25, 25, 50, 50, 50, 50, 30, 30, 30, 30. Okay, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. Okay, I'll let me enter another 50. Okay, I entered some plan independent requirements forecast in the weekly buckets. Okay, now I'm saving this. Now when you go to the MD04 screen, you'll be able to see those planned independent requirements. Now when I execute MRP run, you see for the particular month requirements, you will be getting only one planned order. These 4 will get clubbed. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 will get clubbed. You will be getting for that particular entire month one planned order only. Okay. So now let me execute the MRP run. Okay, I executed the MRP run. Now go and check the situation. See what happened. You are getting only one planned orders. Are you able to see? Only one planned order. Of course, this 50 is there. That's why it's not generated for any. This 50. This 50 is this 25, 25 not considered. The remaining ones, it has generated one. This 50, this 25, 25, 50, and one more this 50. It has become 100. Okay, so that entire month's requirements will get clubbed, and you will be getting only single planned order for that particular entire month. Okay, where this kind of lot size is used. So your production department says that whatever may be my requirements in a particular week, what they say is we will club them entire things, and we will be producing at one time in a particular month. We produce only one time. So during those kind of scenarios, you have to propose this monthly lot size as a consultant. Okay, so same manner, if you maintain daily lot size, what happens is, if you put the requirements in daily format, for each day you will be getting one planned order. And if you maintain weekly lot size, if you enter the requirements in daily lot size, that particular entire week requirements will get clubbed, and for each week you will get one planned order. Okay, so that is what the period lot sizing procedure. Normally in the real time, what happens is, as a consultant, you will not be configuring these lot sizes most of the time. Okay, you will be using the standard ones. Only thing is, you go and study the business, you understand their method of production or procurement, and accordingly you will be proposing the suitable lot size to them. That's what you will be doing in the real consulting world. Okay, all these lot sizes will be already there in the system. Only thing is, your job is to understand their how they procure or how they produce, and then accordingly you have to propose the suitable lot size to them. That's what you will be doing in the real time. Okay, so this is the period lot sizing procedures. Okay, now apart from this period lot sizing procedures, you have minimum lot size and maximum lot size. Okay, I'll show you how this minimum lot size and maximum lot size will work. Okay, so let me remove again all these planned independent requirements. Okay, I'll run MRP again. Those planned orders will get deleted. Slash MD02. Okay, those planned orders will go. Planned orders will go. Okay, even I'll remove the stock also. Just give me 1 minute. I'll remove that stock also. Just give me 1 minute. So now your stock also will go. Okay, your now stock is 0. Okay, so we don't have any requirements or receipt elements, and even the stock is also 0. Okay, now we'll start with minimum lot size and maximum lot size. Okay, so we'll discuss on this minimum lot size. So the minimum lot size means your production or your procurement cannot be lesser than that particular quantity. Okay, you should be always producing or procuring more than particular one quantity. Okay, so that is what the minimum lot size. I'll show you the effect of this. If you go to the material master again, slash and mm02, slash and mm02, I'll go to the material master. Okay, here again I'll change it to ex, lot to lot quantity.